Understand this. Most ideas, great, that you could go throughout time, most of the great ideas, people were told that those great ideas that they had were stupid and that they would not work. Do your research. Albert Einstein. You can take Albert Einstein and theory of relativity. They told him that was wrong, that wasn't right. Mozart. Yeah, all right. You had a guy couldn't hated his guts. You can go to Steve Jobs, creator of Apple. Every single one of these people have been told that their idea wasn't good. I don't care if it's Facebook dude, I don't care if it's Twitter cat, they were all told the same thing. What they did differently from those who had this very same idea is they pursued it. So that's the number one thing. Don't take no for an answer, and pursue your dream. Because your dream is planted there by God. I know I say God a lot, but it's the truth. I'ma be